What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I have with me the DJI Air 2S, which has a very heavy box, and I'm going to unbox it, and in a separate video I'm going to do some footage, which will be great. So let's start unboxing it. So here's the outside of the box, and here's some of the things that are inside the box. Lots of stuff there. Interesting that it has DJI Care Refresh, and wonder what else it has. Oh, there's our, so it uses HEVC. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know there was a logo for that, and it's certified made for iPhone. That's why they sell them at the Apple Store, I guess. And then the rest of the box is just like the DJI logo and stuff. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So we'll just use a pen. And I think we got it open enough. There we go. And now there's some pull tabs here. So let's give them a pull. Didn't work. That's a bit sad. Maybe this one will be better. Yeah, nice. And now let's flip it over and open the box. Let's see what we see. So let's open up the box. It's very slow. So in the box we have some accessories, which we'll look at in a sec. We also have the carry case, which is very nice. Has a nice strap as well. And that's everything in the box. But obviously we'll look in the case. So let's see what's in the front of the case. Nothing. It's empty. Alright. Let's see what's in the top of the case. Okay, there's the drone. Let's have a look at the drone. Most exciting part. So we got some anti-collision cameras. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is pretty heavy actually. And so there's the cameras on the back. And there's some on the top here. Some on the front. And then there's the main 1-inch sensor. So let's pop this off and have a look at that. See, it says ADS-B, which is just a sticker. Sorry, pulling it off. Then we have a sticker on the battery that says please charge to activate the battery. So we will do that. Wow, this is quite a large camera compared to the other DJI drones. Pretty thick and chunky. Well, I'm sure the image quality will be great. So many stickers. I'm blown away. It's just stickers everywhere. Never ending. Alright. Well, some more stickers. So there's one here. And there's one here. It's more stickers than an Apple product. And they even give you stickers of the Apple logo. Oh shit. Let's have a quick look at the drone here, now that we've taken all the stickers off. So these are the front motors and the rear motors. Here's the camera for obstacle sensing. And there's some vents here, and on the other side there's vents as well. Then we have some, I think this is an IR sensor, the light, and then downwards facing sensors for obstacle and distance, which are just cameras. And then we have some front obstacle avoidance and some top as well. Now we have the 1-inch sensor itself. I believe you can take off the lens, so let's try and do that now. Or maybe just the cover, and I believe you can add a ND filter. I'm probably not going to touch it though, because I want to fly it first before I fiddle around, so let's just leave that. It goes back on. So that's pretty much all I can see for the drone. I guess you can see how much the camera stabilizes. It's very like, don't know the right term, it's like a suspension almost. And yeah, this is what it looks like with the battery removed. So it's the same battery from the old Mavic Air 2. So we also have a nice foam little insert in the box. Nothing else down here. Oh, more foam. Maybe we should keep it in there for safety. Oh, my favorite. I love eating these. They taste so nice. Ignore that. They're totally fine to eat. Just kidding. Don't do that. All right, let's see what else we have in the box here. Oh, this is interesting. This looks to be the battery charger. Wonder how this works. Yes, this is the battery charger. Interesting. So the batteries pop on here. Let's chuck one on. See what happens. There we go. Alright. And here's the controller. Looks the same as the old Air 2 controller, but let's have a look in the box. And let's see for our own eyes if it is the same or not. Cine normal sport. Yeah, I think it's the same, honestly. I can't see any differences. I might be wrong, but I guess you can tell when we look at the back if it says Air 2S or not. Doesn't say. Alright, let's chuck in some joysticks. And this is where the antenna is in here. And your phone goes in. Oh, look at that, lightning in the box. So they really want you to use an iPhone. USB-C, which is nice to see. Ha ha ha. Alright, let's keep unboxing. So I think this is what's left. Is this accessories box, which is very heavy, I'm assuming because of all the batteries. Let's pop it open and have a look what's inside. So we have a battery. Very nice. We have a big brick for charging. Very nice. And then a power cable. And then I'm assuming there'll be propellers. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is interesting. So it lets you turn the batteries into a USB power bank to charge your phone. That's pretty cool. Well, I can't see myself using it, but I like the idea. Let's see what else we have in the box. I'm starting to get concerned because I don't see any propellers. Actually, I'm crazy. They're right in there. Alright, so here's another battery. So here is what it looks like with all the batteries on the charger. And let's plug them in and see what that looks like when they're charging as well. So we'll plug it in. Oh, it's the wrong way. Let's plug it in the right way. There we go. So I assume they will light up and start charging or something along those lines. So here's where the propellers and all that stuff is. There's a quick start guide. Tells you to add all the propellers. Check the battery levels, that kind of stuff. Unfortunately, I'm not new to these drones, so don't really need to read it, but pretty cool. Now let's have a look what else we have in here. Doesn't want to open. Come on. I think we got it now. Unfortunately, I ended up accidentally deleting my footage for this, and I am dumb, so I don't actually have any footage of the propellers being unboxed, but just imagine they look like what you see in this photo here, and there's that many there. Pretty much that's what's in that box, and there's a few ND filters, that kind of stuff inside as well. Thanks so much for watching the unboxing of the Mavic Air 2S here. I will have a video coming up in the next few days where I will show you the active track and some sample footage. Hope you can subscribe to watch that. And I'll see you all in the next one. Lens Addict out.